trying. Aw, hi. What a good boy. Hi, Leafy. Good girl. What a good girl.
It is an end unit and it has the perfect backyard for you. Go on in and have a look. Thanks.
Snow.
Hallway here.
Ew.
So we got the bathroom here.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, looks alright. Oh. So I guess
Look at all these toys.
Family room area.
A little backyard.
Hi, Lila.
That's more private. Looks like it's a kitchen up here.
Lila just come in from the snow.
But it's not the open concept that I was hoping.
Hi, Megan.
Like the kitchen.
Beep, 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 beep.
Is kind of separate.
This place is big enough for Kathy
Yeah.
and Mel's massive 30th birthday party.
Let's check out upstairs.
Okay.
Okay, so I assume this is the master bedroom. Because there's a bathroom there.
So I guess
Moving on. Wow.
there's another bathroom.
Alright.
It's nice.
It's okay.
Check out the bedroom. You like the color?
There's a snowman Rochelle made.
Wow. The colors of these rooms are
They're
crazy.
cute.
The pastel.
Definitely painting. Lots of painting with this house. Wow. Basement.
The basement. So what do you think about the space?
It's alright. It's more space.
All the
There's another
doggies'
door. I wonder
names.
what's